To perform the dye penetrant test, you will need a rag, Johnson & Allen cleaner, or a cleaner, or an aerosol cleaner, Johnson & Allen penetrant, and Johnson & Allen developer. Now you can use others in different departments, and also you'll need nitrite gloves, and we use brushes to apply. You'll also need some localized exhaust ventilation or personal ventilation. This is what we use. So these are the items that you need to do a dye penetrant test. So the order of application is Jack 2 cleaner straight onto the weld to clean off dirt and grime. From the weld, sprayed directly onto the weld. Then cleaned off using the rag. Then it's apply the dye penetrant and leave for 10 to 15 minutes to allow it to absorb into the weld, get into all the nooks and crannies. What we usually do is we use a brush to make sure we get even application and we don't overuse the penetrant. Then we use Johnson & Allen Kia sprayed onto the rag to clean off the surface penetrant because we don't want to clean anything off that's gone inside. And then we add the developer for 10 minutes to identify if there are any cracks or surface cracks within the weld. Stage 1. Using the Jack 2 cleaner, spray the weld to clean. And using the rag, take off the excess dirt. Okay. Stage 2. Add some dye into this box. Just adding the dye into the box. And using a brush, coat the weld evenly in the dye penetrant. And leave that for 15 minutes. Stage 3 is apply the cleaner to the rag. We'll use the rag to take the surface dye off. Do not spray the cleaner directly onto the weld, as any nooks or crannies will be pulled out by the spray, replacing the dye, and you'll get a false reading. The final stage is to add the developer. Give it a shake, with the mixture going up. 6 inches away. Allow that to develop for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, have a look at the development, identify the areas that have leakage or cracks with it.